A taste of the West Indies, hot food, spicy weather, and... OK, so Gillingham in June's similarities with Jamaica come to an abrupt end there. But in among the discount stalls at the town's market, a Calypso entrepreneur is building his empire. Matt Crawford was made redundant from his city job earlier this year, and instead of stewing at home, he curried and sold it. Matt's won a national award for his efforts, and he certainly knows his Caribbean chow.
Basically what we've got here today, starting off, we've got our rice and peas, which is kidney beans and basmati rice, or underneath we've got plain basmati rice for those that don't like the beans.
Despite only being a market trader for a few months, he's already fitting in, right down to the comedy apron. The Make Your Mark campaign recognised his efforts as a market entrepreneur, and the people of Medway are also impressed.
Very good reaction from sort of local people. We trialled it in London as well, and we've had good response from there, which normally I wouldn't expect it to because they get that so often up there. But we get really good feedback from customers there. We've had people order sort of birthday meals and things like that to take home, and yeah, it's good. Instead of going to the same office every day and seeing just the same people, I have new work colleagues every day, every market that I change to, and they're all really warm, lovely people. All want you to do the best, and same for them really.
Marketing speak has given way to market banter for Matt, and with his prize of £1,500 and a free 6-month pitch, it seems that Calypso curry making is his new calling.
I mean, just to think in February, I didn't know what I was going to do. I really just had no idea, really worried, stressed, and now it just seems to gradually be turning around. But to be honest with you, as it came to the end of that job, it was at the point where I was starting to think, I don't like this anymore. I don't like having to meet someone else's targets and someone on my back all the time. I'd rather be on my own back and meet my own targets.
And Matt's got a word of thanks for the people who helped him in his Caribbean dream, the Make Your Mark campaign.
Really boosted my profile. I've been on their website, I'm on YouTube now, sort of when I was awarded the award. And they're really great. They're all about inspiring people like myself that sort of need to try and find a way of getting themselves off their feet.
Matt wants to set up restaurants in the future, but markets are and will be the spice of his working life.